Clear mountain streams are the beating heart of old-growth forests, home to Montana's long-toed salamander, an amphibian who relishes in the habitats of moist earth and decaying old fallen trees. Long-toed salamanders, along with other forest amphibians, require a mix of old-growth trees. Trees that are rotting and dying leave their decaying branches on the forest floor, and beneath these branches and logs, long-toed salamanders hide and feed on insects. The moist wood and soil is ideal for the protection and health of a salamander's semi-permeable skin. Long-toed salamanders live two separate lives, one on land and one in water. So old-growth forests like these, near flowing streams and standing pools, is an ideal place to find them hiding under a rotted log or even swimming near the water's edge. The salamander's life is dependent on these forest trees, and especially the great Douglas fir.
These are massive Douglas fir trees. Little old growth grove here. I think this tree probably hits about maybe 130, 120 feet. Huge.
Isn't this tree amazing with its lichen-covered bark? This tree gets its mossy green look from the wolf lichen that has made its home on its trunk and thick branches. These massive trees grow to great heights and spread to a high canopy.
Now, old growth trees like this are very important to an ecosystem because of animals and other things that utilize these type of forests. So old growth trees like this create a different canopy, and they also change the life of the subcanopy and the forest floor. So a lot of these dynamics play out very differently with old growth as opposed to young forests, 10-year-old forests, second growth type stuff. These big old trees change the dynamics of everything.
Though Douglas fir are known to shed their lower limbs as they grow, this tree is a testament to a life with plenty of room to grow and spread branches.
These monsters are pretty awesome.
I am in love with these trees, and the habitat they provide beneath them is abundant for other plants and critters. Long-toed salamanders are by all rights very reclusive, and in order to find them, you need to turn over log after log until you find just the right moisture and insects. Making my way down closer to the creek bed will hopefully turn up a hiding salamander or other critter. Like I said, it's all about the perfect elements. When I find just the right conditions, I don't only know it, but I feel it. And it's moments like this that are like finding a pot of gold. The striking coloration of long-toed salamanders is so beautiful, and the sleek black skin is semi-permeable, meaning that it absorbs water and oxygen. Because his skin is so sensitive, I do not want to handle him, but merely observe him and then cover him back up. Look at those eyes! Beneath rotted logs, this beautiful creature feeds on insects and worms, and in the water, they will eat invertebrates and tadpoles, along with tiny crustaceans called zooplankton. Fierce predators in their own right, and yet only as long as one of my fingers.
In Montana, we have flying squirrels, several different species of squirrels, and chipmunks, things like that, and they all utilize these monstrous trees along with birds and other things.